All right, I'm going to show you how to get rid of a matrix send. You may not know how to get rid of it. I had the hardest time trying to find this, where to get that to turn down. If I'm over here and I turn it down on my matrix, then you can see it's not doing anything. All right, so what we're going to do about that is you're going to come over, for example, I have the matrix send on my mains. You're going to hit select, and then you're going to go over to sends on fader, and as I do that, you see the fader shoot up, and then I want you to notice it's still there. The way to get rid of it is select, send on fader, and then bring the fader down while that is engaged, and you will see it goes away. If I turn the fader up, while I've got sends on fader, you will see that it increases as well as the others. Turn them up wherever you're sending them to, as you can see there. And while I've got send on fader, turn down, 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 and it goes away. And then just hit send on fader, get rid of that, and you're good.